Hi, and welcome back to Mr. Petrimo's Tutorials. Today, we are going to turn a new Google site page into a lesson using YouTube and a Google form. Pretty easy stuff and really kind of worth your time to learn this trick. This is a pretty cool one. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to find my YouTube lesson that I recorded. If you watch the whole series, you might remember the WeVideo, how to record a lesson on WeVideo. So after you're done recording your lesson, you would go to your YouTube channel and find your video. For this one, I'm just going to use my endangered species one. So I'm just going to copy this. It's really not a lesson. I'm just showing you how to do how to post the lesson. So I'm going to get that video in there by using my embed code. Hang on a second. Let me zoom in. I keep forgetting to zoom in. There we go. I'm going to use my embed code and I'm going to paste that in. Google finds my video and inserts it. Okay, then I want to get that right in the middle, and it's right there. There we go. All right, next I'm going to insert the form to collect the kids' answers. For this part, it's a little trickier than it looks, because when you insert it from Google Drive, you will get a link. You will get an actual link, and the kids will have to click on it and go to another web page to fill out the form. So we're going to want that form to be embedded right into this web page. So I'm going to delete this first one. And instead of going to insert from Drive, what we're going to do is we're going to come up here to our form that we have made here, and we're going to go to the Send button. And when you click on that, you're going to go to the embed code that you probably have not seen before, maybe not used. Once you click on that, you're going to get an embed code that is copy and pastable. So all you're going to have to do is copy this and then go back to your Google site, and instead of going to Drive, we're going to go to Embed, and we're going to paste in our embed code. We have to switch it to embed code and paste that in here. If you will do that, this will become a part of your web page. And we're going to insert. And now the questions are right there for the kids to answer. Now, it didn't resize it as nicely as I want, so I have to play around with the sizing options to get everything to show up. I want the whole form to show up and not half. In a previous lesson that I did, I told you it did some weird things with the sizing when you resized things. So just be patient and stretch that form until you can see the whole thing. And then you can re-center it so that it looks nice. Well, I'm having trouble centering it. There, that's better. All right, and when you're done with that, simply publish your page and you will be good to go. The kids will have a video to watch, and then they will have a form to fill out with whatever writing prompts or questions that you have for them. All right, thank you and have a nice day.